directly from the 3D model, and the other is to add dimensions in the drawing itself. First, let's talk a little bit about the fundamental differences between the two methods. Imported dimensions are referred to as driving dimensions. This means that the dimension parametrically controls the geometry referenced, just like when you dimension sketch entities. They drive the model geometry. Note that these dimensions display in black by default. If I double-click to change the value of a driving dimension in the drawing and rebuild, you can see the geometry updates to reflect the new value. You can control which model dimensions you want to import into the drawing as well. I'll press Ctrl-Tab to switch over to the related part to illustrate. When I edit a sketch, and then double-click to edit one of its dimensions, I have the option to mark the dimension for import. This option is active by default. If I toggle the option and click OK, you can see the dimension now displays in purple, indicating that it is not marked for import. The other method used to dimension your drawings is to add driven dimensions to model views. This means that the dimension only references the associated geometry and cannot be edited. They are driven by the model geometry. Driven dimensions appear in gray by default. Note that if you want to change the default color for dimensions and annotations, you'll need to access System Options, Colors, and select the color scheme setting you wish to edit. When I click on a driven dimension and try to edit it, I have a few options available in the Property Manager, but I cannot edit the dimension value itself. The advantage to dimensioning your model views using driven dimensions is that you often have more control over the dimension's appearance. Over the next few lessons, I'll show you how to insert both dimension types and the options